Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So we
Waalaikumsalam.
are grade 7, and today we would like to present our final project entitled One Minute English, Enhancing Daily Communication Skill Through Social Media Based on Formal Education. My name is Isma Yuliana Siregar, and our group will explain our project and how it can help students improve their English communication skill through social media. Next slide, please. Okay, so first let me explain the background of our project. As we know, English is an important skill in today's world. It is useful for education, communication, and even future career opportunities. However, many students still find it difficult to use English in their daily lives. Some have limited vocabulary, while others feel nervous or lack confidence when speaking English. And another problem is that students often have very little opportunity to practice English outside the classroom. And at the same time, most students spend a lot of time on social media, especially Instagram, like watching short videos every day. So this problem made us think that why not use social media as a place for learning English? For the idea, inspired us to create One Minute English, a project that provides short, practical, and enjoyable English lessons through Instagram. And through this project, we hope students can learn English in a way that feel more fun, simple, and connected to their daily activities. For the next explanation, I would like to invite the second presenter, Shalwa Agustia, to continue the presentation.
Okay, thank you, Isma. So now I will explain our situational analysis. Our target learners are junior and senior high school students aged 13 to 18 years old. Their English level is around CFR A1 to A2, which means they are beginners. They are digital natives, so they spend a lot of time on social media and prefer short, attractive, and interactive content. However, they face several challenges. First, they have limited vocabulary, so they cannot express their ideas clearly. Second, many students are afraid of making mistakes, which lowers their confidence when speaking English. Third, they have very little exposure to real life English outside school. And then last is traditional learning methods sometimes feel boring, so students lose motivation. These challenges inspire us to design a more engaging learning platform. And then next is, I would like to invite the next presenter, Zakia.
Thank you, Shawa. All right, next, I will explain our SWOT analysis. Our project has several strengths. It is free, easy to access, and follows students' daily habits of using Instagram. However, there are also some weaknesses. For example, students may lose focus because social media contains many distractions. But there are also opportunities. Nowadays, short educational videos are becoming more popular, and many students enjoy learning through digital platforms. On the other hand, we also face threats such as competition from other content creators and changes in social media algorithms. Based on this analysis, we developed our strategic approach. We focus on engaging content, communicative language, real life situations, and interactive features such as quizzes and questions. These strategies help learners stay interested and actively participate. Thank you. Next, I will like to invite the next presenter, Aulia Rahma. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Zakia. Now I will explain our SMART objective. So our main goal is to improve student confidence and ability to communicate in English in everyday situation. So during this process, during this project, we plan to produce 10 educational videos. And the implementation will take 2 weeks. Our learning material are designed for beginner learners at the CEFR A1 to A2 level. And to measure our success, we will observe audience engagement through views, likes, comments, shares, and participation in interactive activity. So these indicators will show whether our content is useful and engaging for learners. And now, I will invite the next presenter. Tiara, time is yours.
Thank you, Aulia. So I will explain about theoretical foundation. So our project is supported by 4 educational theories. The first theory is digital non-formal education, which explain that learning can happen outside the classroom through digital technology. The second theory is communicative language teaching, which focus on using English for real communication instead of only learning grammar. The third is micro-learning theory. This theory says that learners understand information better when it is presented in short and focused lessons. Finally, we use Carson input hypothesis. This theory suggests that students learn best when they receive language input that is slightly above their current level. These theories help us design videos that are simple, practical, and effective for beginners learners. Next, I will invite the next presenter, Reksha Zahra. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Tiara. Okay, now I'd like to talk about our project design. Our project is made up of 10 short educational videos. Each video is about 30 to 60 seconds long, so learners can watch and learn easily without feeling overwhelmed. And the videos cover basic English topics such as greetings, self introduction, daily activities, vocabulary, pronunciation, and everyday conversation. And then to make the learning process more interesting and effective, every video includes a visual examples and then interactive questions. These features helps learners to understand the material better and then to encourage them to practice English in a more natural way. So we hope these videos can help learners improve their vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking confidence, and communication skills in everyday situations. So now I'd like to invite the next presenter, Depinta. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you, Rexa. So lastly, I will explain our sustainability plan. Next, please. We want this project to continue even after the initial implementation. Therefore, we will upload content regularly to keep learner engaged, and we also plan to organize interactive activities such as quizzes, polls, challenges, and question and answer session. And then in the future, we hope to expand our content by adding grammar tips, listening practice, pronunciation challenges, and English for specific purposes. Our long-term vision is to build a sustainable online learning community where students can continue improving their English every day. And in conclusion, 1 Minute English is a simple but meaningful project that transforms social media into a fun and accessible learning platform. We believe that learning English does not always have to happen in the classroom. Sometimes just 1 minute a day can make a big difference. Thank you very much for your attention. Back to the moderator, please.
So that is our explanation from our project. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.